Especially for the working people, working women wants the everyday unique varieties of printed sarees. And the saree should be very comfortable to wash, to wear easily, not to press. Such expectations every working woman expects, right? So today I brought for you the same exclusive varieties from Vichitra Fabric Collections. So friends, keep watching this video, subscribe the channel for the regular updates. There's a bell icon, just click it. Every uploaded videos you can sit from home and you can do online shopping with Kesaria manufacturers and tie up for clothing business or saree business, boutique related kurta sets. You have a multiple options to tie up and contact Kesaria manufacturers. So friends, as I said, for the working woman, I brought for you, these are all the Vichitra fabric collections, which starts from fancy sarees of printed varieties of only 300 rupees. So these all collections, I'm going to show you the samples. The first pattern is the chocolate color sarees. These sarees are very beautiful, and the print, you can see the unique printed. This is a tip top, 715 is the code. You can take down the code number and you can see the color charts. This is a dark bottle green color. This is a dark one of the lavender color, and dark one of the mehndi color, and one of the brownish color shade, and one of the grey color shade. So these are all the color shades of this saree. If I talk about the next pattern, it's a dark pinkish color with this green color combination, the heart printed and the mountain cut pattern. This is a code, is a mountain cut pattern. This is also a code called tip top 701 is the code. This is also a Vichitra fabric. Beautiful sarees. In this, the color charts are royal blue and one of the parrot green color, one of the light orange color, and one of the dark ink blue color, and one of the cream color. These are all shades are very beautiful to wear for the office regular ways. If I talk about the next saree, which is a casual and stylish print of the floral printed, which is a dark creamish color with a brown color shade of the dark wine color combination with the floral printed. Tip top is the code, DGN 733 is the code. In this, you have a totally 4 color charts. This is one is the light brownish with the shade of this color, where you can see the mud color shade, and one of the dark pink color with maroon color, and one of the grey with Rama blue color combination. So this is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next color charts of the shades, light subtle color with this. This is a pattern with only with the white shade with the navy blue pattern. Tip top is the code, 704 is the code. You can take down the screenshots. The color charts are the light mehndi color shade, light purple color shade, light Rama green color shade, and light maroon color shade, and light royal blue color shade. This is one of the pattern. The next pattern is mehndi color. It's a beautiful thin leaf pattern, which is one of the pattern unique print. Tip top 717 is the code. The following color charts are dark purple color, one of the dark wine color combination, and dark brownish color, and grey color, and one of the Rama green color. So this is one of the pattern. And if I talk about the next pattern, the beautiful sarees, which is a tip top 732 is the code, one of the dark lavender color combination. The sarees, which you can see the sunflower floral print. The color charts are the dark chocolate color, dark grey color, dark bottle green color, one of the brownish color shade, one of the mehndi color shade. These all are Vichitra unique printed of varieties of trending collections for the working woman, which is very easy to wash, easy to wear, very comfortable in the light weightless sarees. It won't get shrink. This saree not required pressing. So these sarees are very comfortable and fast moving at the market, and market also is very demanding for such unique varieties of sarees, especially for the working ladies. So let me know in the comment box of this collections for. You have to buy set to set wholesale price. I didn't say the price. If you want to know the price details of individual designs, you can call up the number. There is an online sales team to interact with you, to communicate through WhatsApp. You can have a live video calling purchase also, and we do have a span India plus worldwide. We will provide you transport and shipping services, exclusive varieties of sarees, lehenga, kurti, bottom, dupattas, handloom collections, kits varieties, designer boutique varieties of kurta set, suit material, everything. We can purchase it under one roof, Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So let me know in the comment box, and please visit once Surat city manufacturers of Kesaria, which is located at Kamila Darwaja Signal Point, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. You can visit from airport also. You can visit from Surat railway station. You have a pickup drop facilities also. Numbers are on the screen. We do have a waiting office area opposite to railway station. So for further information, please contact and let me know in the comment box from which city you are watching the video. And keep watching, subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Next video I'll come up with many more business informations with product videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.